Hey, this is Miss Shep, owner and creator of Oils and Bar Soaps. And beautiful people, welcome. I'm back with another one. Check her out.
Oil and bars.
Oils in bars.
Oils and bars.
Oils and bars.
I'm excited here. I'm about to go take a shower now.
Oils and bars. Yeah. And so I measure out my distilled water and food grade sodium hydroxide to make my lye solution. And then I measure my shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil. Now, I stopped using palm oil. I think it's been over a year now because of the dangers of palm oil. Now, to harvest palm oil, they have to knock down large areas of tropical rainforests, and it's causing a huge negative impact on species that are already endangered: elephants, rhinos, and tigers. Oils and bars, soaps, and products are now palm oil free. This video is brought to you by Oils and Bars Soaps. Oils and Bars oat milk and raspberry soaps are made with real raspberry and oat milk. Raspberry and oat milk help to fight against eczema. Get you some Oils and Bars because your skin is beautiful and deserves the best.
Get with the program. I love her soap.
Now, why is she adding carrots to her soap? Because carrots have skin-loving benefits. Why not add it to a soap? Why not bathe with it? Why not use a product, all right, that is going to add to helping protect your skin from sun damage and fight against acne and give the natural benefit to light and dark areas on your skin? Look at how beautiful Oils and Bars soaps are. And if you haven't tried Oils and Bars and want to, keep up with my videos because I will be having a giveaway. And don't forget to follow and subscribe. Thank you for watching.